video with this happy little zinnia. Isn't that so sweet? It literally is peeking in and wants to just brighten our day. I love it so much. Hey everyone, how are you? Just wanted to do a quick May garden tour. I haven't done one yet. I haven't even posted my April garden tour up yet. It's just been a really rough month. So haven't really felt like doing much in the garden. Haven't been doing, well, really more of doing videos. Been doing a little bit of stuff in the garden, so gonna kind of quickly go over with you on what's been going on and kind of what's growing and not growing right now. We have not had rain, and I can't even tell you how long. It's like a desert here. And for the past 2 weeks or more, we have had wind like crazy. So just completely drying everything out. It's just been a challenge for sure in the garden. But I will show you what is working right now, and yeah, we'll go from there. So this is my raised bed 3, kind of starting here. I just planted these pretty little morning glories just to kind of have them drape over. But you can see my Tabascos are going crazy, and actually this plumeria fell and broke about 2/3 of this Tabasco off. It's still really cool to look at though. We can see it from inside. So it's a pretty cool pepper. Look at these serranos. I got that bright red one, and then I've got a red and green one right there. The Anaheims are doing really well. Those are really tasty. If you don't have them, I recommend. It's a very mild pepper, a little bit more of a boost than the bell pepper. It's kind of like the Cubanelle or the Poblano. Banana pepper's doing okay. This one is a Cubanelle, which again is pretty mild pepper. I've got 2 jalapenos in here I have to move, and I really have to redo this, so not super proud of that one. My lemon tree's kind of pittering around, and my lemon tree, it's looking a little scraggly. Not too sure what's going on with it. I've given it quite a bit of fertilizer. I'm not sure. It just bloomed, and it is just, oh, it's looking scraggly to me. Got this crazy squirrel. It's going nuts. Zucchini here, starting. I just seeded another one because this one is just not looking strong to me. So more peppers over here. The banana peppers are rocking. And I got a bell pepper here as well. Tomatoes are doing okay. Struggling a little bit. I've got a ton of leaf miners I'm trying to get rid of. Eggplant's doing pretty good. Parsley. And then of course my longevity spinach is always out of control. These pretty little guys. The hydroponic I have to completely redo. I've got a leak somewhere. I don't know. I bought a new pump. This pump's still not working. I don't know what's going on, but check this out. Are these not the happiest little zinnias you've ever seen? I love them. They really brought me a lot of cheer lately. More bell peppers, and my marigolds are doing so cool. I know they're kind of draping out onto the sidewalk, but I love it. They'll pitter out and be back to square one. Don't mind my mess over there. So I don't know if any of you have backyard chickens, but I lost 2 of my girls this week. Totally weird random things. One ended up having a tumor. The other one had some sort of growth in her mouth, went into her ear. It was kind of a mess. So unfortunately lost one on Friday and then another one on Monday. So now I literally just have this girl, and she's honestly living her best life. So the vet just wants me to get her checked out and then go from there. But look at these blueberries are rocking. Do you see all those? I mean, we have been picking and picking and picking and picking, and they just keep producing. That marigold's peeling out, accidentally pulled it. And I harvested my first peach as well. I'll put that picture up. It's really cool. We were very excited about that. My okra's doing really good. First time making growing okra. This one's red. This one's a red variety, and I am getting buds right there and right here. And then I'm getting, this is the green spineless, and there's the buds. So pretty excited about those. I've got some new seedlings started of some different heirloom tomato varieties. There's the red. Hey, buddy. Watermelon starting because something keeps pulling it out of the ground. Another pumpkin. Some more pumpkins because it's fun. Why not, right? Bed 2 is starting to look so pretty. It's almost turning into my favorite. I did like a purple and yellow theme. I've got some holy basil right here, a little lantana, and right there's a leaf lettuce basil, but unfortunately Rudder knocked that pot over, so it's hurting. Got some red Creole onions in there. Very excited for those. Strawberries are doing great. We're actually getting quite a bit of blooms. Marigolds. Check out these. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. These are, did I not save the tag? Dang it. I have no idea what they're called. If you guys know, put it in the comments below because I can't remember. My cucumber's finally starting to take off. Getting a little powdery mildew on that one. I had an attack of the caterpillars on this and whipped out the unorganic stuff. Sometimes you just got to do that. Finally got that under control. My dill is doing crazy good. Mint, another marigold, and another mystery plant that's awesome. And these are some yellow cherry tomatoes that are like, have a ton of leaf miners, unfortunately. And my first blossoms, I'm very excited about those. Dakota Cava tree is doing awesome. It's still no buds or anything on it. Bed 2, it's getting a little hot. My lettuces, these ones did not get attacked with caterpillars, which is crazy. I'm not sure if the squirrels were pecking at them or birds or what. Got some bok choy still left over. I have a feeling I'm gonna have a ton of bok choy. Coleus, some blue spruce salvia, Malabar spinach. Oh, I've got longevity spinach, but it does not look real happy. I just transplanted it there because it was in a really hot spot. Maybe I'll run the sprinkler, but look at the trunk on that Swiss chard. Perpetual spinach, crazy. Not much going in here. I gotta put a few things in here and get some stuff done. Hey guys. Oh, over here my tomatoes are just doing horribly, so I gotta kind of pull these and start over. I've got a Kajari melon starting here. It's on the drip. Getting a ton of buds. I don't know if I need to start self-pollinating these because I'm not seeing any fruit yet. Not sure if I need to start doing that or what. Oh, and I forgot to tell you this, guys. My bees all hatched. They're right here. They were flying around like crazy. They've already started repacking with eggs. I'm super excited about it. The only problem is I get lizards that sit here and try to eat them. So, but I am really excited to have them. And then my last bed. It's got the corn coming up. I had to put this down because I kept trying to reseed and something keeps eating it. Something took off my watermelon again, so that's why I got another one growing. My mint's pittering out. It's not on drip, so I always forget to water it. It dries out. This is the marigold I transplanted. And then my beans, I don't know if you guys can hear me over the AC. My beans are getting a little beat up. Still got some beans though. There's some. Ooh, these are going to seed. Cool. Plant those. Got a little Everglade tomato volunteer there. And then I think that's an Everglade tomato volunteer as well. But I'm super excited about corn. I haven't done corn ever, so I'm really excited about it. We'll see if it works. I mean, I know it's so cheap at the store, but guys, there's just something about growing your own, you know? But other than that, not too much going on around here. Like I said, May was a little bit of a rough month, so haven't felt like really doing some videos. It's getting hot, dry. The garden has been quite a fight. The pest pressure is definitely on. So, you know, some days you feel like throwing in the towel, but I just love being out here and even getting the slightest thing, whether right now it's only herbs and some lettuce and the okra I'm really excited about. So any little thing, you know, just makes it that much more rewarding. So hoping to plant these starts that I have going right here pretty soon, seeing how those do, and then kind of going from there. I mean, looks like I'll get another small harvest of strawberries. The blueberries obviously are doing fantastic. So yeah, just kind of take advantage of what's flourishing right now and thriving, and just kind of going from there. So I hope you all are doing fantastic and getting out there and gardening and enjoying the spring. And yeah, hopefully I'll have a little bit better success with some of the tomatoes and stuff next time, but we'll see. So all right guys, well, thanks for watching, and I hope you're doing fantastic, and we'll see you next time.